now we connect to the plug. And the user manual, the remote control. Please take this off first and turn on. Now let's see this soft active mode here. Okay, now let's turn to the soft active mode. Now this is auto programs. We have A1 to A7. Let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the speed, the mic, and brightness is no function. Please note it. This is no function. And this is how you install this line. 1, 2, 3 holes and this side. Because we do not include the screws, so you need to buy the screw at your local store. Yes, it's very simple to install this line. This line is very suitable for your KTV, party, Christmas, or anywhere you want. This is amazing. I hope you will enjoy the flex of this line.